Hi all, I am here with my new video on chapter 13 chemical calculations. Let's start. In this video we will learn about atomic mass. A humble request to all of my viewers, please like and subscribe my videos. Standard mass. Scientists use mass spectrometer to measure masses of atoms and their components. For it, first a standard mass must be established and it must be given a value. For that purpose, chemists agree to choose a neutral atom of the isotope carbon-12 as an appropriate standard. Its mass has been set at exactly 12 atomic mass unit, in short AMU or U. It follows that one atomic mass unit is 1 by 12 of the mass of a neutral C12 atom. All other atomic masses are measured relative to this value. With this system, the masses of a proton and a neutron are nearly equal to 1 AMU, while the electron has a mass close to 0.0005 AMU. Average atomic mass. Elements can contain atoms with different mass numbers, so the term average atomic mass or weighted average is used. To measure an average atomic mass of an element, we measure the mass of each individual isotope in the element, then calculated a weighted average based on the abundance of each isotope in the sample of the element. This weighted average is known as average atomic mass. Example, the average atomic mass of C12 is 12.0111, which means that a sample of carbon contains isotopes whose mass numbers are other than 12. If an average atomic mass is rounded to a whole number, it usually represents the mass number of the most abundant isotope of the element. It's problems times. Problem number 1. What is the most abundant isotope of the element gold whose average atomic mass is equal to 196.9665 AMU? Problem number 2. An element consists of two isotopes. Isotope A has an abundance of 75.00% and its mass is 14.000 AMU. Isotope B has an abundance of 25.00% and its atomic mass is 15.000 AMU. What is the average atomic mass of the element? Let's solve the problems. Problem 1 solution is 197 rounded to the whole number. Solution 2. The term percentage abundance indicates how many atoms of an isotope are contained in 100 atoms of the element. To calculate average atomic mass, we multiply the mass of each isotope by the decimal equivalent of its percentage abundance and then add the result. Average atomic mass is equal to mass of isotope A, which is 14.000 U, multiply by decimal equivalent of percentage abundance of isotope A, which is 0.7500, plus mass of isotope B, which is 5.000 U, multiply by decimal equivalent of percentage abundance of isotope B, which is 0.2500. Then our answer will be average atomic mass is equal to 14.25 U. Average atomic mass formula. Average atomic mass is equal to mass of isotope 1 into decimal equivalent of percentage abundance of isotope 1 plus mass of isotope 2 multiplied by decimal equivalent of percentage abundance of isotope 2 plus and so on if there is more isotopes. The formula mass of a substance. The formula mass of a substance is the sum of the mass of all the atoms in a given formula. For example, formula mass of oxygen is 32U because there is 2 atoms of oxygen and mass of oxygen's one atom is 16U, and since there is 2 atoms of oxygen, so we multiply 2 by 16 and our formula mass of oxygen is 32U. It's problem times. Our problem is calculate the formula mass of CuSO4 means copper sulfate. To solve this problem, first of all, we will find out how many elements are there in CuSO4. And there are 3 elements in CuSO4, copper, sulfur and oxygen. Next, we will multiply copper's atomic mass with the number of atoms in the formula, and then we will do the same for sulfur and oxygen. After that, we add all these results and the solution is 159.62 U. In our next video, we will learn about the mole concept. Please like and subscribe to watch videos.